Number 1. 1968 GMC 1/2 ton project truck, $2,000, Northwest Valley, Peoria, Arizona. This 1968 GMC 1/2 ton project truck is offered at an affordable $2,000 in Peoria, Arizona. It comes with a clean title and identification tag, making it a legitimate and promising restoration candidate. Powered by a tired 350 cubic inch V8 engine, the truck currently has no transmission or drive shaft, clearly positioning it as a build project rather than a turnkey driver. The trailing arm chassis with two-wheel disc brakes provides a solid foundation, and the straight, rust-free sheet metal is a major advantage for a truck of this era. A dent on the nose of the hood is noted, but overall body integrity appears strong. The truck includes both GMC and Chevrolet front-end conversion options, giving flexibility in styling. New tires, refinished wheels, and extensive new rear brake components add value. For builders interested in a Roadster truck or a two-wheel drive K5 style conversion, this is an inexpensive and structurally sound starting point. Number 2. 1955 International R100, $7,050, Sonoma, California. Located in Sonoma, California, this 1955 International R100 is priced at $7,750. Equipped with a 6-cylinder gasoline engine and manual transmission, it appears largely original. Last driven in 2021, it has a new battery, starts, and the lights work. Known for rugged agricultural heritage and distinctive styling, this example will appeal to buyers seeking a mostly unmodified mid-1950s pickup with vintage character. Number 3. 1960 Ford F100, $12,000, Ellensburg, Washington. This 1960 Ford F100 is offered for $12,000 in Ellensburg, Washington. It features a newer 302 cubic inch V8 engine with fuel injection and electronic ignition, improving reliability over stock configuration. Paired with an automatic transmission, it runs great while maintaining classic driving feel. Digital gauges and new tires and wheels add modern touches, making it a usable classic with updated mechanical components. Number 4. 1955 Chevrolet Apache, $13,999, Canyon Country, California. Offered at $13,999 in Canyon Country, California, this 1955 Chevrolet Apache is a fair condition project. It features a 351 cubic inch Ford V8 engine and automatic transmission, indicating a drivetrain swap. The odometer is broken and the title is missing. Despite that, its iconic mid-1950s styling and strong enthusiast following make it an appealing restoration or custom build candidate. Number 5. 1964 GMC K15 four-wheel drive, $14,900, Carlsbad, California. This rare 1964 GMC K15 factory four-wheel drive pickup is listed at $14,900 in Carlsbad, California. Equipped with a 307 cube-inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission, it represents an increasingly collectible early four-wheel drive platform. The truck reportedly runs great and features 5 new BF Goodrich tires. Lifelong residence in California and Arizona has helped preserve the body, floorboards, and frame, all described as solid. While the paint is an older refinish from the 1980s, originality and structural condition are more critical in trucks of this type. Accessories such as a CB radio, working dash fan, gun rack, and classic horn reinforce its vintage outdoors character. This is a usable classic four-wheel drive with authentic period charm. Number 6. 1972 Chevrolet Custom Camper C20 3/4 ton, $11,500, Snohomish, Washington. Priced at $11,500 in Snohomish, Washington. This 1972 Chevrolet Custom Camper C20 3/4 ton two-wheel drive pickup shows 130,000 original miles. Powered by a V8 with automatic transmission, it runs and drives but requires mechanical attention. A new master cylinder is included but needs installation, and the truck should be trailered before regular road use. It retains the original quadrajet carburetor, which requires rebuilding, though a replacement carburetor is currently installed and functioning. Originating from California, the body is described as rust-free and solid. Cosmetic needs include upholstery, dash pad, and paint. The 1972 model year is desirable as the final year of the first-generation Action Line body style, making this a worthwhile restoration candidate. Number 7. 1966 Dodge D100 Stepside, $14,000, Wichita, Kansas. This 1966 Dodge D100 Stepside is offered at $14,000 in Wichita, Kansas. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and 700 R4 automatic transmission, it benefits from upgraded mechanical components, reportedly including Corvette C4 suspension and driveline. With power steering and brakes, it runs and drives well. Always garaged and very clean, it presents as a strong custom build with classic Stepside styling. Number 8. 1978 Chevrolet K20 3/4 ton, $12,000, New Meadows, Idaho. Located in New Meadows, Idaho, this 1978 Chevrolet K20 long bed is priced at $12,000. It has approximately 60,000 miles on a 383-stroker crate engine paired with a 3-speed automatic. Upgrades include a Holley carburetor, Edelbrock intake, aluminum radiator, headers, dual exhaust, and new gauges. A solid square body with enhanced performance. Number 9. 1972 Chevrolet K10 Cheyenne 4-wheel drive long bed, $12,000, Madera, California. This 1972 Chevrolet K10 Cheyenne 4-wheel drive long bed is listed at $12,000 in Madera, California. It features a 350 cubic inch V8, 3-speed automatic, and dual-range transfer case. Though the engine runs on the weaker side, it is complete with clean paperwork and power disc brakes. A solid final year model with strong collector appeal. Number 10. 1993 Ford Ranger 4-wheel drive, $750, Joyce, Washington. Offered at $750 in Joyce, Washington, this 1993 Ford Ranger 4-wheel drive project has 262,479 miles and a manual transmission. It does not run and must be trailered after an electrical issue. With some interior mold and sold as is, it represents an inexpensive entry into early 1990s compact 4-wheel drive ownership, best suited for a mechanically inclined buyer.